One of the easiest ways to earn coins on Cointiply is by completing your free daily coin spins. To get started, log into your Cointiply account. Once you've logged in, tap on the free coin spin found at the top of the main offer screen. You can also find it under the Daily Free Coins tab. After tapping the offer, you'll be presented with the screen which contains the free coin spin, as well as a list of coin payouts and the current jackpot. Each spin will award you with free coins depending on the number you spin, as displayed in the payout table, which you can see at the bottom of the screen. The numbers range from 0 to 99,998. To win the jackpot, you must roll 5 nines. The jackpot continues to go up every few seconds until it is won. There are also 2 ways you can earn bonus coins, either by hitting a prime number or by building your loyalty bonus. Anytime you roll a prime number, you will automatically earn a bonus. Loyalty builds up based on how many consecutive days you log into your Cointiply account and make a claim. Your loyalty bonus maxes out at 100%, at which point every free spin is worth double. Alright, let's roll. Tap the Roll and Win Free Coins button to continue. Next, enter the correct answer for the CAPTCHA. If necessary, you can switch to reCAPTCHA and use it to verify instead. Complete the CAPTCHA. Tap Submit CAPTCHA and Roll to complete your spin. A notification will show you how many coins you've won. As you can see here, I've won 38 coins. You'll then be shown a countdown timer indicating when you can spin again. To verify coins you've collected, head over to your activity feed located in your main menu. The main menu can be opened by tapping the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner. As you can see here, I received my 38 coins from completing my free coin spin. The free coin spin is a great way to earn extra coins with minimal effort. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next user to hit the jackpot. On average, a jackpot is won every 24 to 48 hours. So what are you waiting for? Get spinning. We'll see you in the next video, and happy earning.